Be honest. Does writing a resume with zero experience feels like you are filling out a form in a language you don't even speak? You are not alone. Every week I get questions like, how do I even start my resume if I haven't worked yet? Or what if my experience is just internship or school projects? If that's you, stick around because in this video I am going to break down exactly how to write resume even if you have never had any work before. We will cover your strength, frame your story powerfully, and I will even share few samples that you can use. By the way, I am Sona Bhatt, your career strategist and a resume pro, and on this channel I help you build the skills, tools and confidence to get hired fast and smoothly. So if this sounds something interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. So let's get started. First, you need to understand that you don't need a traditional job to have real experience. Employers care about value, how you think, what you have learned, and how you can solve problems. That means babysitting counts, voluntary counts, class project counts, and even running your own business or YouTube channel, helping your family business, all are valid. It's just a matter of how you present it. So let me guide you step by step. Start with a strong summary. Your resume should begin with a short, powerful summary, not an objective. Think of the professional summary as an elevator pitch. I am sharing some example here. If you notice here, we are focusing on who you are, how you can help them. One more example that can help you as a recent graduate. Focus on the project, focus on your skills. So if you are a student or recent graduate, education is your selling point. Here's how to stand out on your education segment. First, mention your school name and the education. If your school or your university is very renowned, focus on your university or school name. Highlight that. And then your education. If your education is strong and university is not or school is not that strong, bring your education first, like MBA from XYZ University. So that way you will make it more aggressive as well as more impressive. Don't forget to mention your specialization, especially when it is aligning with the target job. Your GPA should be there if it is more than the standard requirement. If you are very good in academics, don't forget to make it count for you. Any relevant coursework that is aligning with the job's requirement should be there. If you got scholarships, award or leadership role also during your school or college, mention that. One important tip is here, tailor your coursework to match the job posting. If you are applying for a marketing internship, list like what you have done and how your coursework is aligning with the job's requirement. It is almost like an experience. Now comes the next segment, that is key achievement. Even though you are not working, but your experience, your projects are working. Don't forget that this is a chance to show what you have done, not just where you have been. Pick 3 to 5 accomplishments that shows your initiative, your leadership and your problem solving skills. These could be leading a club or event, managing a fundraiser, completing a tough group projects or starting your own side hustle. You can say something like created and managed a budget for a school fundraiser raising 25,000 for local NGO. You have to focus that result is greater than responsibility. So always focus on the result, because when you focus on the result, all the statement will transform and it will work for you as a accomplishment driven profile. Don't forget that volunteer work is very important. Volunteer work shows that you have leadership qualities, you like to take initiative, and this is what employers like. So don't forget to mention your volunteer work on your resume. You can also include certification sections with your education part also. If you are a technical professional, you have done so many technical certification, include the certification in your education part only. And don't forget to talk about your memberships. Professional membership matters a lot. Like student association, clubs, online communities, these small add-ons make a big impact on your resume. Comes the most important and final tip. Try to bring down your resume under one page. See, if you are a job seeker, fresher, your resume should speak about you rather than unnecessary, unrelevant information. It should simply speak about you and it should align with the target position. Bring it down to one page so that it will be easy for hiring team recruiters to read it down, identify what you are bringing to the table. Use action words like led, organized, supported, created. Don't worry that I'm not a professional, how I'm going to use that. You can easily use that because you are a student, you are creating something, you are helping something, you are supporting, you are organizing. So all these part of your professional life. So use these action words. Now, don't forget to customize your resume for every role you apply so that you will get results. And as I promised that I will also provide you some resume samples. So these samples are there. You can use that. And if you want a copy of all these things, don't forget to comment over here that yes, I want a copy, and reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will provide you a copy of the samples. If this helped you feel a little more confident about writing your own resume, hit a like button and let me know in the comment section what's the biggest challenge you face when you are writing your own resume. And don't forget to subscribe because I have got more resume, interview, and career growth content coming every week. You have got something to offer. Your resume just need to say it loud and clear. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.